Hey everyone, want to make sure your favorite apps run smoothly and get the latest features? Updating them is super easy. Let me show you how in just a few quick steps. First, open the App Store. This is where all your app updates live. Next, tap on your profile picture on the top right corner. This takes you to all your pending updates. Now scroll down and look for the apps that need updating. You can tap Update next to a specific app or hit Update All to do them all at once. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Grab a snack while you wait. And that's it. Your app is now updated with the latest new features and bug fixes. Enjoy. Easy, right? If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching.